What's up, guys? I'm at it again. So we've seen all of this before. I already grabbed what I needed. We have some of these Jada Toys slug bugs. Not gonna lie, some of these models are very cool, especially this one right here. But I'm gonna pass. Let's see. Finally, yes, been looking for these for a while. So let's see what we have. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.8 AMG and the Fleet Flyer. Not a bad looking car, but I'm gonna pass. Yes, finally, guys. Been after this one for a long time. The Nissan Silvia S15 and the Aerolift. Beautiful. So finally, here's another one with a damaged card. Here's the 65 Ford Galaxy and the Ford C800 hauler. So this one's staying. Taking this one. Let's see what else they have over here. Doesn't look like they pushed out anything new on these Hot Wheels. All right, guys, let's move on to the next store. So far, not a bad start. What's up, guys? Let's see what they have in store for us here. Just gonna take a quick peek. I've seen all of that before. These King of Crunch trucks are pretty awesome, but I'm gonna pass on those. Monster Jams. RC cars. Oh, nice. This is new. The Lightyear RC car. It's pretty cool. Some super rigs. Here we have some Lightyear fighter jets. Here we have the Mario Kart sets. Here we have the Car Culture 2-packs. There's the Skylines. Here's the Batman cars. These are pretty cool. I've seen these Batman cars before. The one everyone takes is that Chevy Tahoe right there. 2007 Chevy Tahoe. Let's see what else they have. Looks like they stocked up on the Hot Wheels, but let's see, this is F-Case. Yeah, this stuff looks like it's already been looked over, so I'm not going to waste too much time on here. Let's see. This one's pretty cool. I'll take that one. Is the 70 Chevelle Ss Wagon. Looks like that's pretty much it. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys in the next store. What's up, guys? I'm here at the Hobby Lobby. Let's see what they have in store for us today. I've been striking out left and right here, so let's see. I'm gonna skip over what we've seen before. This one's pretty cool. 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. That one's awesome. 1983 Ford LTD Crown Victoria. Here we have a couple of Racing Champions cars. Here's the 1973 Ford Mustang Funny car. And another one. 1953 Chevrolet 3100 truck. Ooh, this is nice. The 1969 Chevrolet G30 Dually Wrecker. Alright, here's a 2016 Chevy Silverado 3500 Dually with the red and black flatbed. That's pretty cool. Here we have the 4-post list with the STP livery and colors. Plymouth Roadrunner, 2021 Chevy Tahoe, 1984 Jeep Cherokee. Here we have the nose 1970 Chevy Chevelle. picked that one up a while ago. This one's pretty cool. This is a 1987 Chevy Silverado with the Wasted Wages livery. Not bad. And here's another one. This one has the Matte Cruiser livery. 2013 Ford Escape. Here's a 2020 Ford Police Interceptor utility vehicle. This one's pretty cool. I've seen all of this before. 1970 Plymouth Satellite Wagon. Here's a 1984 Ford LTD Crown Victoria Wagon. 1967 Chevy Camaro SS. 1972 Chevy Vega Stinger Wagon. There's another one. 1977 Dodge Royale Monaco. 1970 Jeep CJ5. Here's a 1970 Checker Marathon A100. Here's some Jada Toys Punch Buggies. 2019 Step Van. 2019 UPS Package Car. Tankers. These are pretty nice. This was nice, the 1969 Plymouth Barracuda 340. Here's the 1964 Dodge A100 panel van. Check this out, guys. This is a 1964 Ford Econoline truck with a 1988 Ford Mustang GT. This one's really cool, but not for 25 bucks. Let's see what we have back here, guys. This is really cool. 1964 Dodge A100 and the 1941 Willys. Yeah, these are very cool, but not for 25 bucks. Heck no. 1956 Ford F100 pickup. 1958 Chevy Apache stepside. Here we have a pair of 1957 Chevy 150s. 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1351. Here's another one. This one's really nice. 1969 Chevy Camaro SS396. Very cool. And there's a Mercury Cougar. This is nice. In a nice military green with a black interior. Not bad. And it looks like that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm just going to be taking this tow truck right here, and that's it. Alright guys, let's move on to the next one. What's up, guys? I'm here at another Hobby Lobby. Gonna take a quick look to see what they have. This is nice. I already picked this one up a while back ago. So let's take a quick look. This one's really cool, man. You got the 1966 Pontiac GTO and the 1969 Pontiac GTO Royal Bobcat. But it's 18 bucks, so thanks, but no thanks. Let's see what they have here. Here's a cool 1988 Chevrolet S10. Nice. Take one of those. Here's a nice tow truck. This is a 1972 Chevrolet G30 Dually Wrecker. Cool. I'll take that one. Racing Champions. And back here we have this cool 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429, which I picked up at a Walmart about a year ago. 2019 Ford Transit. Kings of Crunch. 2021 Chevy Tahoe and the horse trailer. 1987 Chevy Caprice. 1974 Dodge Monaco. Here's a cool 1966 Chevy El Camino. Yeah, they have a lot of nice stuff, but some of this stuff is overpriced for sure. Here we have the 2019 Mach Anthem truck cab and the 1982 Chevy C60 propane truck. Ooh, nice. 1972 Datsun 240Z. These are hard to find. Definitely gonna pick this one up. And let's see what they have over here. 1970 GMC 5500. Here's a 1944 Willys MPG. There's a 1964 Ford Econoline truck. Here's a 1987 Chevy M1008. 2021 Chevy Tahoe. This is cool. I picked that one up. Here we have a pair of Camaros, the 1967 Chevy Camaro SS and the 1969 Chevy Camaro SS. And here we have a pair of 1966 Ford Mustang Gassers. I'm sure Mustang Hunter would love these. I don't know if you would buy them for $17.99, but I definitely won't. 1970 Dodge A100 panel van. 1969 Plymouth Barracuda. This is the 1969 Chevy Camaro SS/RS. Very cool. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna take the Datsun, the tow truck, and the Chevy S10. So I'll see you guys in the next one. What's up guys? Let's see if we strike gold today. Premiums, and look what we found. Nice. The all-new 2022 Fast and Furious set. So to start off, we have the 68 Dodge Charger. Beautiful. 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. Man, this is so sweet. The 1987 Buick Regal GNX. The 1970 Nova SS. Love the card art on these as well. Very nice. And we have the 1977 Pontiac Firebird TA. Well, apparently they put out more than one set, but at least they left one for me, so that's good. That's all I need. So we have some Batman cars. There's these guys over here. Here's the 2007 Chevy Tahoe. Everybody takes this one. Yeah, but these are like over $2, so here we go. They're $2.19. $2.19 for this? I don't think so. Yeah, so these are all cool and all, but not for $2.19. That's a bit much. $1.25 maybe, $1.50, but not $2.19. All right, guys, let me grab my little pile and let's keep moving. All right, guys, let's see what they have over here. Not much. It's pretty cool. Let's see. Yeah, I went past the main lines because, as you can see, somebody was already here. You can see that there's a few good ones here and there, but I already have all of them. So 20 packs. There's the 9 packs. This one's really cool. I'm really digging this Camaro right here as well. Sorry guys, I had to stop because I had a couple of people come up to me and ask me if there were any more of those Fast and Furious. So remember guys, do not overlook these. You'll never know you could find in one of these. So I've gotten lucky a few times. And Brandon over at Diecast also found a super treasure hunt in one of these. So do not overlook them guys. You never know what you could find in one of these. So. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. There's nothing else. I'm gonna call it good with my set of Fast and Furious cars. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. Happy hunting, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.